mega war of words between the Congress and the BJP ahead of polls addressing a joint press conference in Uttar Pradesh with Akhilesh Yadav. Rahul Gandhi has taken a jibe at the BJP. He's also broken his silence over Amethi when asked. Rahul Gandhi has taken a jibe at a reporter when he was asked the reason that he chose to fight from Wayanad instead of Amethi and Rai Bareli. Rahul quickly responded, saying that it was a BJP question and not a journalist's question. He's also said that the decision to fight Amethi would be taken by the party high command, and that decision hasn't come about as yet. Speaking on the Lok Sabha polls particularly, Rahul has said that BJP will get around 150 seats, expressing confidence that the Congress will perform very well in Uttar Pradesh. Now, reacting to this charge, BJP leader Shehzad Poonawalla has lashed out at Rahul Gandhi, saying that the DNA of Indira Gandhi of stifling the media seems to have transmutated into a more virulent form in Rahul Gandhi, where he thinks that questions asked in the open are all BJP-sponsored questions. Meanwhile, Congress continues to campaign in Saharanpur, where Priyanka Gandhi currently is leading that roadshow.
मुझे पहले ही 2-3 बीजेपी वाले क्वेश्चंस पता लग जाते हैं, तो वो तो गारंटी पूछे जाएंगे, तो उनके लिए मैं तैयार हूं।
लोग तो गुजरात छोड़कर पीएम बनने के लिए बनारस आते हैं, आप बाय नाइट चले गए, तो क्या अमेठी या रायबरेली से आप लड़ेंगे?
ये बीजेपी वाला क्वेश्चन है।
ये पत्रकार का सवाल।
पहले ओपनिंग बॉल बीजेपी क्वेश्चन। वेरी गुड, शाबाश। देखिए, अमेठी की बात कांग्रेस का डिसीजन है। जो भी मुझे ऑर्डर मिलेगा मैं वो करूंगा। सीईसी मीटिंग, हमारी पार्टी में सीईसी मीटिंग्स में ये डिसीजन लिए जाते हैं। बट पहला बीजेपी का क्वेश्चन, गुड क्वेश्चन, थैंक यू। बीजेपी को मुझे लग रहा था 15-20 दिन पहले कि 180 तक जाएंगे, अब मुझे लग रहा है 150 तक जाएंगे। हर स्टेट में हमें रिपोर्ट मिल रही है कि हमारा चुनाव इंप्रूव कर रहा है और अंडर करंट है।
इस बार भारतीय जनता पार्टी को गाजियाबाद से लेकर के गाजीपुर तक इंडिया गठबंधन सफाया करने का काम करेगा। आज किसान दुखी है। तमाम जो वादे किए थे, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हर बात झूठी निकली। उनके वादे झूठे। न किसान की आय दोगुनी हुई, न नौजवान को नौकरी रोजगार मिला, और जो सपने दिखाए थे विकास के, वो भी अधूरे हैं।
All right, let me cut across to Rahul Gautam joining us live for more on that. Rahul, give us more on the drubbing that Rahul Gandhi gave to a journalist asking him why are you contesting from Wayanad and not your home seat of Amethi or Rai Bareli. What was so wrong in that question that really riled him up? Apart from that, give us more. When exactly is the Congress deciding to announce candidates for Amethi and Rai Bareli?
Well, Navina, even before this press conference started, Rahul Gandhi said that I know that there are going to be 2-3 questions that are BJP sponsored, and I'm going to point them out. And when this journalist stood up and asked Rahul Gandhi that are you going to contest from Amethi or not, to this Rahul Gandhi described as a BJP question, saying that you have started this press conference by asking this question, which he said was actually sponsored or and recommended by BJP. However, he said that the last decision as far as him contesting from Amethi is concerned, this would be decided in the CAC, that is Congress Election Committee, and whatever party will decide for him, he will abide by it. I can tell you that there is the right from PCC President Mr. Ajay Rai to senior leaders like Jairam Ramesh, all of them are saying that the party wants Rahul Gandhi to contest from Amethi or Rai Bareli, which have been traditional bastions of Nehru Gandhi family, and is going to help Congress party in boosting the morale of Congress cadres. However, the final decision would be taken by Gandhi family. We've been informed that any decision in this regard would be taken after polling will be concluded in Wayanad, which is going to happen on 26th of April. So you can expect that that after 26th of April, a decision, in this regard would be made. But there is a sense among party leaders that Rahul Gandhi should contest from northern part of the country. Otherwise, it would be as good as giving walkover. To BJP in the northern part, and that's what they just want to happen.
Rahul, stay with us.